Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect from the internet on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and disconnect from the Wi-Fi. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to navigate to where it says Settings. Afterwards, you want to navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right-hand corner, which is this option right over here. So click on Settings, and then navigate to where it says Network. And then from here, click on Settings again, and then click on Setup Internet Connection. Now, with the current Wi-Fi that's connected, you want to go ahead and click on that, and then click on OK. So notice how you'll receive a notification here that says you'll be disconnected from this Wi-Fi network. Click on OK, and now you've been disconnected from your Wi-Fi network on your PS5. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and disconnect from your Wi-Fi on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.